get my hair out. Hey guys.
What are you doing? What? Come on. Stop.
Hey guys, welcome to today's video. This is gonna be kind of a different video because my wonderful boyfriend Brandon has trusted me in cutting his hair today. He really needs a haircut and I don't know why he hasn't gone and gotten it cut yet, but
Laziness.
Sure, laziness and $20 is way too much.
Plus tip.
Plus tip. Oh, and our cat wants to join us. So I'm gonna go ahead and just get started on his hair. I watched, you know, a basic YouTube video that I will link below and give credit to the author, but yeah, I have a comb, like 2 combs just in case something happens to one of them, and just like, you know, a pair of scissors. So this should work out really well. You know, I'm not a professional, but like, you know, this is what we do here. This is what we do. So this is gonna be some time-lapsing, you feel me? Alright, so I'm just gonna get started. This is not a tutorial. I'm just cutting his hair. Alright, I'm gonna start off with just like, brush your hair down. Oh, you have like a spot up here. That's weird. It's like bright red. Did you get hurt up there or something?
Not that I know.
Does this feel right?
I don't know. I only like half pay attention.
Okay, so from right here, which is like your part, I'm gonna brush everything forward, right? How much do you want cut off? Enough?
Dude, you're doing this, not me.
Yeah, so I'm cutting off, oh, I don't want to cut off too much. Maybe like 3/4 of an inch? Does that sound good? You
I don't know.
Okay. What am I doing? I'll make sure I have it right. Got this, and we're cutting, and we're cutting, and we're cutting, and we're cutting. And hold on, these are not clippers, so it's not getting all of the hair, so I just have to like brush it back out with my fingers and then recut it.
I mean, you don't have to use those. You could use like the bigger scissors from downstairs.
I don't know if those will help. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is just like let this hair fall and like use
Thanks.
brush it off. It's gross. Okay, so this is actually working. The video that I watched showed me that it'll show you the line of where to cut, and it's exactly doing that, so that's good. So I guess in your perfect world, this won't take more than a half hour, but this might take a couple hours. Scissors really aren't cutting your hair.
I mean, keep in mind too, if you don't want to have to do scissors all over, you can use the trimmer.
Yeah, but I don't trust myself.
But you just put it. What do you mean? You just run that along with the guard on instead of...
Really? Do you like that all over?
Well, not typically, but because... But I mean, it's probably going to be faster than this.
Listen, this is true artistry. Wow, I didn't cut like half of the hair that was there. Good stuff, Brandon. You got some good hair. It's really soft. This is fine.
Mm-hmm.
Are you upset?
That you just threw one of my 2 combs on the floor.
Oh, scissors.
Oh.
Here, I'm actually gonna try the big person.
Oh god.
Actually, there's another pair of big scissors. It's okay, maybe these are sharper. This is why people have scissors with these handles on hair. Oh my god, that was crazy. It just slipped out of my hand. Did you know I actually almost went into cosmetology?
No.
So like hair things. Oh my god, these scissors are so much better. I'm not even kidding. Like, I just cut all of that hair in one try.
Did you hear about John Krasinski's run-in with a customs agent in London?
No. What happened?
You know, they always ask you your purpose for traveling, and he said, oh, you know, my wife is filming a movie here. And he's like, I'm an actor too. He's like, oh, would I know you from anything? And he's like, yeah, the American version of The Office. And the customs officer goes, that's strike one. And then he's like messing with him half.
Yeah.
But then he asks about his wife, and he's like, yeah, you know, she's starring in Mary Poppins, it's Emily Blunt. And he goes, you?
Nuh-uh. Oh my god, that's so funny. Okay, I'm getting up toward the front, so I'm not gonna cut like straight across anymore. Like texture it like so. Good. No bald spots. Nice, nice. Okay, but how do you know if it looks good or not? I guess it looks fine, or else I would be like concerned.
Well, I mean, you're not gonna know till it's done.
Really?
Right?
I don't know. Okay, here's where things get interesting. By interesting, I mean fantastic. So should I cut your sideburn? And how do I do that?
I don't know. But yeah.
So if your hair isn't touching your ear, is that a good thing?
Yeah, I like it. I prefer it cut out, so yes.
What does that mean?
Like where the hair isn't touching the ear.
Like this hair? Like this hair touching your ear?
Like, well, that would probably help. That's part of it. But I'm saying like going around the ear.
I see. Can you turn toward the left a little bit?
Where's the left?
So I can see?
Okay.
Yeah. Because I can't like get the comb like down in here. Well, I mean, I totally could actually here. You have like a piece of, you have hair over here that's like longer than the rest of your hair. Like, it's crazy. Maybe your hairstylist put it there to like cover some of your scalp, but sorry, I just cut it off. Like the whole strand.
Okay.
It was way too long.
Okay.
Are you usually comfortable when you get your haircut?
Oh yeah.
What? Should I play music or something?
No, they have squishy chairs.
Oh my god, you're sitting on a squishy
This
chair.
is not a squishy chair. This is a folding chair with some padding. They are different.
Oh my god, this one is low budget. You gotta get this good fade into your beard. I mean, you could always just get your haircut tomorrow, right?
Yeah.
Just in case I suck. I really hope I don't, though. Did that hurt?
Yeah.
Sorry!
You ripped it.
Oh my god! That's dramatic. Your hair's flipping up and like it's hard for you to cut. God, you have so much hair. Where did it all come from? No, I don't like that. It's kind of sad. It's not in my salon. You're like so tense. You just like want to get up and go to sport clips like right now.
I have been sitting here for like a while now.
Oh my god, I'm sorry. I don't have like 8 years of experience.
It's more intense. I told you I'm uncomfortable. If I've been sitting here for a while, then it's going to be even more uncomfortable.
Welcome to the salon. We have a very long hour and a half long men's haircut.
Jesus Christ.
You get what you pay for, which is nothing.
My God! You suck.
I didn't do it on purpose. It's not like I threw the comb.
It sounded like you threw
I
it.
didn't throw it. There's so much. What? So we're back. We had a mild hiatus. What a better tuck. Then stop moving.
I wasn't moving. You were tucking and making me move.
Sassy, take your glasses off.
No.
So sassy. So I did part of the back. I haven't gotten to it. I cut out like chunks from the bottom that I'm gonna even out just because it was flipping up and getting like way in my face. I'm actually gonna take some water spray. This is just water. And I'm gonna spray the back of your hair.
It's so cold.
I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry. This is just so I can get an even cut, sweetheart, so it doesn't like flip up, okay? It's still flipping off in the water. Does that mean the hair's still too long enough?
I don't know.
Wait, let me see.
I'm very uncomfortable. Hold on. Wait, you have to let go. There.
I'm grateful. I'm gonna you a free salon experience.
What?
I'm gonna get your ear hair. Like go inside your ear and cut it out. Yeah. I actually have to look at the other side to see what I did. Oh my gosh, it looks so good, except this chunk. No hair should be going into your ear, agree? So like, what constitutes long hair to you?
I don't know. When it starts curling up.
When it starts curling up, right? Comment down below if you have the same problem. Oh my god, that's so good. I'm like a natural, I think. So I found my technique. Wow. I'm just cutting hair like this for the rest of my life. Never going back to my job at Higher Ridges.
Okay.
I was born to cut hair. I'm like really not being sarcastic. This looks really good. I'm like proud of myself. Okay, but this hair is like really long, so can I bunch you up here? Okay. Yes. You're gonna go get your haircut this time, and please, like, not even gonna say anything. She's gonna be like, oh, I just hope a professional cut this hair. So what was your favorite part of Alien Covenant?
I like the action scene with the crane and the alien going on the ship.
You could tell David was just like,
Oh, you're talking about when it got like rammed out into space. Right now? Oh, that's when David was like, fuck.
well, yeah, but he was like, his face was like, when it got crushed in the crane. Trust me, I watch TV.
Oh.
I mean movies. I mean, I watch TV too.
You still have to watch Prometheus with me.
Okay. I like really hope no one comments on your hair. Not that there's gonna be anything to comment on, but that would just make me feel really terrible if someone was like, cut your hair. Like, dude, you really pay attention to my hair? That's weird.
You're doing something with this here, right?
This?
I feel like there's something going on here.
Right here?
I don't know, it felt like something was like out and sticking into my sideburn.
Oh, wait, does that go there?
I guess.
Oh, shoot. Okay. Do you tell this to the person who's cutting your hair too? Okay, so it is later in the night, and our camera battery died. So I'm sorry this is like a jump cut, time lapse, time jump. We're Time Lords, yep. But I did want to give you guys the final look at Brandon's hair. Why are you holding your head?
So no one can see my hair.
Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna show you this hair. Oh my god. Alright, so, Brandon, will you please step over here, please?
This is pretty harrowing.
Oh my god, I hate you. Okay, so, unveil your hair, please. It's so messed up because you were holding it.
Yeah, probably.
Okay, so, his hair was pretty long in the front, and it's, like, I didn't perfectly cut the shagginess up here. But overall, like, the length is really good. I feel like I did a pretty good job. It's kind of layered, so it's longer in some areas. Just because, I don't know if you could see, and no offense, Brandon, but you could kind of see his scalp through some of his hair, so I wanted to make sure
offended.
I wanted to make sure some of the areas of his hair or head were, like, a little bit thicker, so they covered, not the bald spots. But if you go down, you can kind of see where I messed up a little bit. But good thing Brandon's hair grows really fast. And Brandon, if you stand normally and don't like dip your head down, can you like stand up straight, please? Brandon! You can like barely tell. We were just out at dinner and hold on, it went out of focus. We were just out at dinner and he was sitting normally and you like couldn't even see the strip. So unless you're like really looking for it, you like can't even notice it. Okay, turn the rest of the way. Oh my gosh, who is that? Who is she?
She?
Who is she?
She?
Yeah, who is she?
Ellie.
No, who is she? Ellie? Ellie?
She left.
Ellie? Okay, anyway. Anyway, I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video and being here for like a chatty, weird place and time for us to just hang out and be together and be happy. And if you like this video, give me a big like and subscribe. Both of those things are free for you, and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. I make new videos Tuesdays and Thursdays, sometimes Fridays, because I'm a busy lady. And again, I just wanted to thank you guys so much for watching and being a part of our family, and like, I'll see you in the next video, I guess. Okay, bye.